Hi everyone, today's my topic is HCF, that is highest common factor. It can be found using two methods, prime factorization method and division method. Already I have explained HCF by prime factorization method. If you want to check it out, you can check it from description box. Now we are going to see about division method. Division method. Take example. Find the HCF of 40, 56 and 60. To find HCF, you have to follow 3 steps: 40, 56 and 60. In step 1, take two numbers. In that, divide larger number by the smaller number and then divide previous divisor by the remainder until you get 0. That is 40 ones are 40, you will get remainder as 16. Again you need to take out divisor, that is previous divisor is 40. 16 twos are 32. So you will get remainder as 8. Until you will get 0, you have to divide. Next, previous divisor is 16, that is 8 twos are 16. Remainder is 0. Therefore, HCF of 40 and 56 is HCF of 40 and 56 is 8. Last divisor is 8. Therefore, that is HCF of 40 and 56. Now in step 2, you need to take this HCF and which is given number, you need to take out HCF of two numbers, that is HCF of 8 and 60. 8 sevens are 56. So remainder is 4. Again previous divisor is 8. 4 twos are 8. So remainder is 0. Therefore, HCF of 8 and 60 is 8 and 60 is 4. Next, step 3. Total overall HCF of 40, 56 and 60 is 4. HCF of 40, 56 and 60 is 4. Now we are going to see one more example, that is find the HCF of 10, 25 and 40. So take two numbers 10 and 25, divide 25 with 10, that is 10 twos are HCF of 10 and 25, 10 twos are 20. So remainder is 5. Again you need to take out last divisor, that is 10. 5 twos are 10. So remainder is 0. Therefore HCF of 10 and 25 is 5. Now in step 2, you need to take out HCF of 5 and 40. HCF of 5 and 40. So 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. Directly you are getting remainder as 0. Therefore you need not to check it out. Therefore HCF of 5 and 40 is 5. Therefore overall HCF of 10, 25 and 40 is 5. In step 3, you need to write overall HCF. Overall HCF of 10, 25 and 40 is equal to 5. Thank you.